there are 14 tourists who are stranded in Kasol. The moment we come to know of their well-being, we'll be informing the embassy, please. We've just got a communication from the Russian embassy that there are 14 tourists who are stranded in Kasol, and we have already sent out a team to Kasol in the morning today. We've also established communication with them over the wireless, and the moment we come to know of their well-being, we'll be informing the embassy, please.
Are they in the safe location hotel or also we are in the flooded region?
No, all the tourists, as far as we know, are safe, but we've not been able to establish contact with Senj. The videos do look concerning. As soon as we're able to establish contact in Senj area, we'll be able to give you an update on that.
Especially about the Russian people, are they safe?
Well, as I said, we've not been able to establish contact as yet, but as far as we know, people in Kasol are safe.